one step away from having it all. Boyfriend, girlfriend, a fancy car. You're insatiable, and that's true. You just want more. Climbing mountains, crushing your goals. But you put your happiness on hold. Still waiting to start living. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. Live your life like you're winning. You don't need no pressure in it. You've been struggling too long. Now it's time to move on. And tell the truth like you mean it. Listen to yourself and hear it. And you'll start to remember how to surrender. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, crazy. Let your body go. You need to know you're beautiful. You're perfect just like you are. Release your control, start to let go. Take a night off and let yourself go a little crazy. Crazy, crazy, yeah. Release your control, let your body go a little crazy. Just crazy, it's so crazy. Let your body go.
It's been some damn heavy years, a flood of endless tears, been laying on the ground for too long. Search for love everywhere, and sometimes I didn't care. Just wanted someone around. Oh no, I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive. Slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again. This time I don't feel lonely. I don't need you, so you better treat me good or I will leave you. 'Cause I want you, but not to the cost of everything. No, I won't haunt you. Nowadays I attract people who act nice to me. I don't waste my time. Nowadays I observe, look for things I deserve. 'Cause I don't need my mountains to climb. But I got up on my knees, tried to make a change. Suddenly I began to feel alive. Slowly opened my heart to trust somebody again.